Yes.
If you guys can find a single rider behind you to go in front, otherwise I'm just going to keep stacking you guys down. Next three, step in, grab the metal bar, and sit down. Cross